Today we're showing you a 2015 New Holland Boomer 47 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor has the New Holland 260 TLA quick attach front loader that goes with it. Skid steer style hookup for your bucket quick attach. Bucket's in really nice shape on the tractor. Overall, the tractor's in really nice shape. Has, I believe, right at 600 hours on the machine. A couple scuffs here on the inside of the loader. But again, overall, very nice tractor. Two doors, one on each side. Also has the mirrors on both sides. Has the ag tires. They have good tread remaining. Tractor has dual rear hydraulics, which is kind of unusual for a smaller tractor like this. Top link, drawbar, extendable 3-point arm, stabilizer bars, everything's there. Still see some ridges on the tires here, so the tires are in really nice shape. Show you the inside of the cab. It does have the gear transmission. You have 4 ranges here to the left of the seat, and then 4 gears over there to the right, and then forward reverse shuttle right up here on the dash. So every gear you can go forward or reverse. Has tilt steering wheel, nice suspension seat here for the operator. All your 3-point and hydraulic controls located to the right, as well as your loader control. And then up top you have radio and also climate controls. So nice cab, nice tractor all around. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.